Hey, Flathead Valley. I am Karen Wild, and I am here with my team from Intuitive Real Estate, and we got great news to share with you. We are sponsoring a float entry into the 2026 4th of July parade to be held downtown Main Street in Kalispell. We want to invite you to come to the parade, say hi to us, wave to us, because we're going to wave to you. We are co-sponsoring with an amazing nonprofit organization we have here locally named workshopmontana.org, whose passion is to continue the trades by providing ongoing educational classes for the youth in our area here. So come and see us. Don't forget to bring an empty goodie collection bag for the kids, because there's lots of stuff that's going to be shared from each entry. And we'll see you 10 o'clock downtown Main Street and Kalispell on Saturday. So with that, we wish you a happy 4th of July. Woohoo!